Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Bone Shaker and this is by Hotwheels from their ID series. So they stopped it now. I mean, it used to have a cool app. You can just tap this part of the car here and you can scan it and you can instantly start playing in that game. So they stopped it, I think, during last December if I'm not wrong. So with that said, and again, so this car is actually given to me for unboxing by my one of my good friend Freddy. So yeah, so I don't have his, I didn't note down his Insta handle, but I will link it up somewhere here. So yeah, with that said, so here it is. It says, "Welcome to Virtual Garage. This is your Bone Shaker." It used to show you like this only in that game. That used to look really cool. It just comes down from a ramp and it just stops in front of you on the screen. And once you unlock the car, okay, okay, let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So if you guys remember, we did unbox two cars. One is the Lamborghini Miura and another one is Pagani Zonda R, if I'm not wrong. So this is the third one which we are doing, and so I don't know if you can reprogram this, NFC in the bottom. Okay, so it says designed in El Segundo. I never noticed this before in other cars. Okay, I don't know how much he bought this, but when I bought this, the Pagani and the Miura, I bought it for like 900 rupees. Okay, so out of the box, honestly, this color looks really gorgeous. I do have Bone Shaker, but I do have the Treasure End version. If you guys remember, I unboxed that. So this paint job on this one, man, this looks absolutely gorgeous. And the ID cars actually has this specific set of rims for every car, and it has metal body and the gas tank here, the engine detailing here, the seat, I mean the interior here, and the skull part here, everything is plastic. So the chassis is transparent plastic. This one is the chip actually which you can tap and you can unlock it in the game. So yeah, now the game is gone, which is really sad, but I really like the livery on this one and the paint job on this one. This looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, this is my personal favorite color when it comes to a car. So this is kind of a, I don't know, dark green. I would say like what do you call, mystic green, I can say. If I want to give a name to this particular color, I would name it as mystic green. That looks really cool. Okay, let's weigh this casing. It is not really heavy, so maybe around 25 to 30 grams I am expecting. Let's see. Yeah, 25 grams. Okay, so let's do a roll test now. Wow, that rolls really well. That rolls really well. Wow, that's cool, man. That's cool. So I really had a very bad experience with recent Hotwheels in India, but this one, I don't know if they didn't release this in India. I remember because he bought it from this resellers and all, but it rolls superb. That is really nice. So honestly, at this point, even I really want to get this casting, but I mean in this particular color because I personally love this color. But let's see. So apart from that, there is no headlight detailing or anything here. So no tail light detailing here. The beautiful thing about this particular casting is the paint job. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.